Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm currently at the ring road, Umuokpara ring road, and I'm going to be giving you guys an update of what is currently going on here, how far the road construction has gone. So you can kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section.
So as you can see, there is a convert here or a bridge or a big gutter. I don't know the one to actually call it. If you look beneath it, you see water. So it looks like a stream crossed, through that area. Maybe that's the reason why they constructed that, that structure there, the bridge-like structure. So this is Umuahia. I'm still going to take you back to where, the bridge-like structure was constructed. So this is Umuahia in Umuahia South local government area, and it's also part of the Umuokpara ring road that is currently under construction in Umuahia. The Umuokpara Ring Road in Umuahia Abia State is a significant infrastructure project under His Excellency Governor Otti, aiming to dualize the existing road with modern drainage, walkways, and solar lights to ease traffic, combat erosion, and boost the economy. This 6.92 km project is a major part of Governor Otti's plan to upgrade Abia's infrastructure. This road was flagged off the same time the Onimo to Abiatowa road was also flagged off. Construction of roads in rural areas like this helps to decongest, urban areas. A lot of people don't want to live where they have bad roads. People into real estate wouldn't want to come and invest where the roads are not okay. But now with the construction of these roads, this is not the only road safe in the rural areas. Like there are a lot of roads in rural areas in Abia State that are under construction. So when those roads are completed, some are already completed, it's going to attract a lot of investment, business, and a lot of people move into places like this, so that those areas in the town that we have good roads, even going some decongestion. Now if you look at this road, you see where erosion had already messed up. Coming from Obakala to Umuahia, when you get into Umuahia, some places that erosion messed up has already been filled up, and I think that's the heavy duty machine that did that work, filled it up for, and they're gearing up to fixing all the area that you're seeing right now. I'll be bringing updates about this road construction here on my channel, from the beginning to the end of everything. You'll be seeing it here, on my channel. So just stay tuned, and so that whenever I post the videos, you'll be updated and you'll know what is going on in Umuahia in Abia State. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. So this road leads you to the Onimo to Abiatowa road that is under construction. If you just keep on going straight, it's a connecting road. If you just keep on going straight, it's going to take you straight to the road. And if you want to go to Onimo from here, you can be able to go to Onimo from this road. You can be able to go to Abiatowa from this road. This road is really going to help, decongest even the Onimo to Abiatowa road, because some people might want to go through this particular road without getting to Abiatowa. If you're coming from Onimo, you just get down small, then you connect. Maybe you're going to Obakala direct. You just drive from here straight to Obakala without necessarily, getting to Abiatowa or even Gate. From information you get online, this road is said to have been bad since 1999. So you can imagine the people of Umuokpara, Umuahia South, have been, using this road even with a terrible condition since 1999. Or more, no be small thing, but the administration of His Excellency Governor Gov Otti has remembered the people of Umuokpara and Umuahia South in general. And as you can see, great work has already started here in the Umuokpara ring road. Construction of drainage has gone far already, has gone very far. And whenever you are driving to this road, you still see people still doing more construction. You can see those iron rods beside the road. They are using it for the construction of the drainage. When you're passing through this road, you'll be seeing trucks. When they are walking, you see trucks, a lot of trucks. The dust here is much because of the work going on. You see trucks carrying stones, carrying sand, and the rest of them, because they are trying to fix this road and make the road okay. So some communities in Umuokpara that I remember passing through while making this video, I think Umuahia, Obodinibe, and Ehume, all in Umuokpara. Please, if you haven't subscribed, you can kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a video, you get a notification and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. If I passed your area, if I passed your Ogbe, you can tell me in the comment section.